Today, I will teach you how to load your Easytrip RFID using GCash. To do this, open the GCash app and tap Bills on the home dashboard. Next, select Transportation from the categories and search for Easytrip RFID from the list of billers. Enter your Easytrip account number, then input the amount you want to load. The minimum reload amount is 100 pesos. And after entering the necessary details, tap Confirm to complete the payment. Please note that a convenience fee applies to every transaction, and once the payment is successful, your reload will usually be credited to your Easytrip account within 1 to 24 hours. You can also check your updated balance anytime using the MPT Drive Hub app.